All right, Roger Martin here from Billings, Montana. Boom, let's do this. This is my site here. Let me pull it up. We'll also have a link to this in the video text. There are the different products and services of modern marketplace. We are going to go and look at these links here. Whoops. Better health and nutrition. You can start shopping here if you want to do that. That's right where this is at now. Spa and beauty. You can start shopping there for that. Home and family. There you are. Start shopping right there. So that's how that is. That's how it's easy to do that. And for those pet lovers and so forth, they can look at that stuff and get into the pet catalog and so forth. Right there, it shows you how to do that. We're going to go back here just to show you that's how it's done. It's just that easy. Featured hemp products. All right, so here's another way to get at them. Health and nutritional, family and home, beverage and food, spa, essential oils, photo, services. We're going to look at some of these other services here too. Get down here. So here's another way to do that, is on this line here. Let's go back here and let's refresh this. Go here. So you can go on these here that we've shown you before. For example, if you want to go to essential oils, food and beverage, fashion, just click on this. This will come up and it will go to this. It'll rotate and go to this. And then you can shop there. So that's as easy as it gets. Home and family, again, it'll rotate to that, and then you can click on the shopping. So it's really easy to do this. It's a fun and easy navigable site. It's real easy to do this. Health and nutrition, to suggest that you start there and get into the 90-day program. This is 90 days for life. This is essential, and build off of it. If you want to get into oils or family and health, just click on these and go from there. If you want to start the business and the opportunity, then go up here and work on this area. Move this down here. And up here at the top, let's move this up again. And we'll give you this link here. This is my link. You can go up here and look at this here and click on, you have to scroll all the way up and make sure you're at the top. You can click on opportunity or join us. If you click on opportunity, you will go here and you can get some more information on that, and then eventually you'll have to click on join us. That's the next step. So this is just an overview on opportunity. Now on join us, it will go directly to the join us page. So that's the business process page, and it will go to which way you want to go. I prefer that you come in as a preferred distributor, but that is up to you. And do the $30 enrollment. That is up to you. There's advantages as you do this. If you're going to get in, going all the way, so you have full resources. That's what I would suggest you do. And again, that is through this Join Us button. The Opportunity button, again, will break down different overviews of what we're getting to and what we're doing. You'll get into these different areas, and you can join us after you look at the opportunity. Now, again, this company has multiple streams of income from health and nutrition, home and family, beverage and food, spa and beauty, fashion, essential oils. It gets into some electronic stuff and business stuff, tool supplies, photo. Gets into services with internet service and other things. And even into events. If you're going to go in professionally, you need to get into events. So, and get with other expert people that are hosting these events, that are leaders in these events and in the company. Learn from them. It depends on what level you want to do. But if you want to go all the way to the top as soon as you possibly can, you need to tie into our events. And it's that simple. So if I click here on events, I believe it will go to what we're going to convention day, flex pay, and it'll get into those events. And then it even has a Spanish translation for the convention and so forth. So these things are possible through the events link. All right, so let's go back in here and let's go to the home base on this. And this is the home link. And we will give you a link in there. But it's easy on the top just to get right to these different areas. Remember, you can do, if you're all the way to the top, you can look at the opportunity and it'll go through that what we've shown you there. And you can join us after you've looked at the opportunity. We suggest that you go all the way to the highest part of this if you're going to make it an opportunity that pays you well. And hopefully this will give you an understanding of how to use this site and enjoy it. If you want to go into the specific areas, you have to scroll down and get to the modern marketplace. Then you can go through these different areas individually, order products, even before you join the company, or join the company and order products. Either way. But you have to scroll down to the modern marketplace and then hook onto these different ones. Essential oils, for example, and it'll change this header, and you'll go to essential oils, and you can start shopping. You scroll back up here to the marketplace. Maybe you're more interested in fashion. It will roll that header and go to start shopping there. Really, really easy site to navigate around. Family and home, pets and animals, start shopping there. Maybe you need to have some health challenges. I suggest you start out in here and go into the 90-day program. All this is underneath this modern marketplace. All right, and to end it here, you scroll all the way to the top, and you can look at these things also. Here on this, you can look at the opportunity above that, and look at more of the opportunity. Look at join us if you want, order the products. After you join us, I really recommend that, but it's up to you because you can pay for the opportunity to join us as well as pay for the products. But it's up to you. You can test the products out first, join us later. It's all up to you. Dennis Roger Martin from Billings, Montana. Thanks, and let's do this. Let's do this. Make 2020 a great year. We'll catch you later. Good day.